Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Prime box break number 15. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. The serial number is NE189029-021. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. And for those of you that are interested, we do have a case break of Prime ending on Sunday night. And also we have a couple of cases of the Cup listed. If you're interested in doing case breaks, just bidding on the teams. So here we go. Best of luck, everybody. Start off with a base card for the Blue Jackets of Rick Nash, numbered 63 out of 249. So a nice hit here for the Senators. It's a Prime Combos card of Colin Greening and Stefan DaCosta, number 27 out of 50. Nice hit for the Sens. And we have a Prime Combos duel between, this will be randomized at the end, between the Oilers and the Senators of Colton Tubert and Eric Condra, number 204 to 225. Nice hit here, the Prime Rookies card for the Hurricanes of Justin Falk, number 181 out of 199. We have a nice hit here. It's a Primetime Rookies for the Phoenix Coyotes of David Rundblad. Nice patch in auto. Short print number 4 out of 5. Nice hit for Phoenix. And we have a Prime Signatures card for the Canadians of Aaron Palushai. That one's number 30 out of 50. And finish off a base card for the Coyotes of Jeremy Roenick, or 61 out of 249. So let me just set up the random between the Oilers and the Senators. So here we go, and randomize this 3 times between Colton Tubert and Eric Condra. So here we go. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Ottawa. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.